Hi there, and welcome to Beacons, the all-in-one platform that provides you with all the tools you need to run a smarter creator business in a single place. We have some exciting news to share. Drum roll, please. We're thrilled to announce the launch of our new app marketplace. Here, you'll find tools for everything. From audience management to brand deals, from income tracking to sharing your content far and wide across the internet, and everything in between. How will using Beacons help you be a better creator? Well, we grouped our apps into 3 categories to help you with different areas of your creator business. Engage your audience, to share your content and grow fan engagement. Get brand deals, to manage brand deals and partnerships, including outreach and pitching. And run your business, to track your income and get organized for tax season. The best part is that you can use all of these apps on their own or together. They all integrate with each other so you can easily build a workflow that makes sense for you and learn from your own data. Now let's take a closer look at the tools in each category. First, we have Engage Your Audience, which includes our link in bio page builder, where you can set up a customizable, free, and easy to edit personal website. We then have our email marketing tool, which lets you send emails directly to your subscribers. Take full control over your communication with your audience with this email marketing tool made just for creators like you. Trust us, email doesn't have to be scary or expensive. This is the simple email solution you've been waiting for. Then we have our store app, your central storefront for fans, to sell your digital products, including ebooks, guides, files, and PDFs, directly to your fans right from your Beacons page. You can link directly to your products from anywhere on the web and take fans straight to your store. Plus, you can sell these products through your link in bio and emails. The Audience Manager is a tool that helps you build stronger relationships with your subscribers by providing you with insights on your audience. With the ability to find, filter, and export subscriber data in one clean dashboard, you'll be able to learn which channels your subscribers are coming from and get more clarity on the breakdown of your audience. Lastly, in this section, Post Activity. This is an app that allows you to connect your social media accounts and track all of your post activity across all your social media accounts in one view. Set posting goals and track your progress to stay accountable. No need to switch between apps or hack together your own data. It's all right there for you in your Beacons account. Next, we have our Get Brand Deals category, which includes our Media Kit Builder, which is a digital resume of your work as a creator to pitch yourself to brands. Your Beacons Media Kit includes your past projects, highlights, and engagement stats across all social channels that are updated automatically. No more manual updates needed. Then, you can use our AI brand outreach tool to create personalized professional messages in seconds that are ready for you to send to brands and pitch yourself. No more self-doubt, wasted time, and sending emails into the abyss. We also have Invoicing, which you can use to create professional invoices when you do work with brands or partners. You can easily create, send, and track an invoice with a few clicks and turn on automatic follow-ups to make sure you get paid on time. Use this hand in hand with our pricing calculator to determine how much you should charge for brand deals. We do the math to help you earn what you deserve. The Run Your Business category offers our income dashboard, where you can track your income each month across multiple accounts and sources. Say no more to spreadsheets and just use this one simple dashboard to understand your income and get customized insights on how to grow. We also have our W-9 generator, which helps you manage your taxes throughout the year instead of needing a stressful last-minute scramble around tax season. We all know how that is. W-9 forms are required every time you get paid as a freelancer. With Beacons, you can attach a W-9 to every invoice to complete in real time. You save time and stay organized for when tax season rolls around again. Lastly, our Early Pay app helps you get super fast payouts on brand deals when you post your content. Payday can truly be every day, instead of needing to wait for net 30, net 60, or even net 90 contract terms. As a bonus, we also have a utility section to help you share your content that includes our link shortener and our QR code generator, coming soon. The link shortener lets you supercharge any link by converting it to a custom, short URL that is easy to share. Quickly and easily generate these links and track their clicks and analytics in one place, your Beacons account. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Beacons community today and take your creator business to the next level. We can't wait to see what you build.